Hi everyone, it is Rachel Wayte coming to you with your weekly Uplift video on my YouTube channel. You're very welcome here. Today is going to be different, I can tell you that much. It is. If you are new to me, by the way, and this is your first time on my YouTube channel or hearing me, or you're very welcome. I am a sound and energy healer and spiritual mentor, which means I help people to simply get unstuck. So if you're feeling like you are in a place where you know that you are meant for more, or that you feel like there's more you should be doing, but you're feeling this sense of overwhelm, you're feeling this sense of feeling lost, confused, you're not knowing where to go, I can help you. I help people to release a lot of the things that are holding you back, whether that's emotional, spiritual, mental, it could be physical pain. I help you to release all these things that may have been trapped within the body. And I also help you to get a clearer picture of what the future is and what your purpose may be. And I guide you through getting there as well. And I have this YouTube channel to bring you weekly guidance. Sometimes that guidance comes in the form of messages, that those are divinely inspired messages that come to me for me to share with you. And sometimes, because I'm a sound healer as well, I'm a trained classical singer, it comes through more as singing, as sound, because sound is so powerful. It can really help. The vibration of sound can really touch you on a deep level. It can really help get things unstuck. And today I wanted to actually bring you a sound healing rather than a channeling. It's been inspired by a session I've just had with a client where she wanted to feel nothing more than just she wanted to feel nurtured. She wanted time for herself. There was no specific outcome other than to feel nurtured and to take time for herself. And it was beautiful. And what came through was this pure sound and energy of love. And I want to bring that for you today, because I know many of us struggle with the word love, B, with feeling love, and C, with receiving love from others, but also loving ourselves. It can really make us feel a bit uncomfortable. So if that's you, I really want you to sit here today and receive this vibration, this feeling, this energy of love coming to you. And it may be you struggle with that, that's okay. It may be that it brings emotional stuff up for you, that's okay. But I just want you, wherever you are, however you're feeling, I want you to just feel what it feels like to have this sound, this vibration of love filling you up, coming in for you, surrounding you, supporting you, covering you, whatever you need. And if it makes you feel a bit uncomfortable and you're thinking, that's a mix, I want you to go with this, okay? I want you just to be, today I want you to be open. That's what I want. I want you just to be open, to feel this, to allow the sounds to really touch you where you need it. That's all I want to say. So just take a few moments. Just be open. Don't judge this. Don't judge yourself. Don't judge what is happening. Just be open. And allow this singing, these sounds, to comfort you today. Just take a moment to settle yourself, to invite in a sense of light, a sense of love, whatever that means for you. Just invite it in. Ask it to surround you and be with you. Just stop what you're doing just for a few moments. Just sit in that space that you're in for a few moments. Just breathing in and breathing out. And if this has in any way touched you, or however this has affected you, do let me know. Do comment. As I said, it might have stirred stuff up. It might have been difficult for you. It might have touched a raw nerve. It might have opened something up. It might just have hopefully made you feel like you were being, held and loved and supported, which so many of us need at the moment, and we often deny ourselves. So come back and listen to this, as often as you need. You're very welcome to, if you feel so drawn, to subscribe to my channel, and you can see these videos every week. Do look at my website, rachelwayte.com, where you can find out how I work individually with people and how that work is so special in really helping you transform your life, really, from where you are now to really where you want to be. So I invite you to go there as well. And thank you for being here. And I look forward to seeing you on my next video. See you soon. Bye.